Hi traders, thanks for stopping by lightenuptrading.com. We're looking at the YM on a 23 tick chart. It's February 6, 2012, and here is the 9:30 open. So real quick, I'm gonna buzz through here a little bit. Why did we take this trade right where we did and not any up here? Okay, so if you go look at our rules on our rules and guidelines video, we are looking for the purple RSI to make it down into the 10 level. Up in here, wasn't quite there yet. You did have some divergence right here, and that could have been a trade, especially you got a signal, but it didn't really catch much on the outside of the Keltner channel, so we're waiting here a little longer. We kind of got the setup we wanted here. We've broken into the 10s with the purple RSI, and the green RSI has come back in and pierced that level, and we're getting a blue bar. So that blue bar, even though we don't have a yellow, the blue bar is a strong move without the yellow, and it is a confirming move, especially with this setup here. Okay, if we had kept receiving gray bars, we would not take the trade until we get that signal of color. Okay, right here, I marked this area here because if you had intended, we're seeing some value generate right here, and if we were interested in taking a long position, we broke into the 10s right here on the green bar. So any pullback entry, it's not really relevant what this purple RSI is doing. You take that pullback entry specifically on what that green bar is doing. This would have been a potential bounce area right here based on this. So now what we're doing is we're waiting this out here. We're waiting for the RSI to get down into below the 10s, and nice thing is we see some divergence here. You can see that a little better. See a little divergence here, and we pick up a blue bar here, so that is a signal as well. So this one didn't work out very well. The second one worked out for us. Now this is a pullback trade that I was just talking about. We're not so worried about what this bar is doing. Purple RSI on a uptrend that won't be coming back into play. What you're going to move to is getting a signal while the green RSI is under the 10 level. And right in here is what we got. Just so happens we got this is an A, B, and a C pattern. We do have a lower low right here. Still a good signal. Took a little heat. Still made some money. Also, here's another pullback area here. Now I didn't go for any of these pullbacks because I wasn't getting the colors I was looking for. You're outside the Keltner channel in here, and we're below the 10s. So we got some blue bars, and that was a plus trade. Now let's look at this. We're looking for the RSI down in here. This was a signal I have marked. There's a blue bar in there, so that's a legitimate signal. Got to take the good with the bad. We're starting to show some divergence here, which is a good sign. So we're getting lower lows, all outside the Keltner channel. This area here, when we're seeing a break of the Keltner channel and no test at all, I mean, we're talking a few, very, very few points here considered a test. This is really just a solid break down through here, all the way down. We're looking for a retest later in the day on this price level here. So we have divergence here, and a signal. So this is a long signal and this is a long signal. Don't have any pullback areas marked. There wasn't much of a pullback. Not many, not a good ABC pattern here, very small ones. This one I should really mark this one, because what do we have here? We have the purple RSI coming down. We've got, it's almost down in here right now. I'm going to make this larger so we can see. This is the official spot here of the cross. We also have, of course, some divergence here. But I'm going to mark this, and then we're going to go back here. Here's your marker. So you're a hair off the edge of a 10. You could decide to take that or not. Never really got too much outside the Keltner channel, and it took a quick bounce, quick hop. So you could see a lot of strength on the RSI, but not much to get you in the trade based on complete pure rules, which is that RSI needed to break the 10, the green had to break the 10 there. So don't have that one marked. Coming down to the next one, we do have a lower low, and that's our requirement. You don't want to take any trades up and through here if you're expecting an A and a B and a C pattern, so you definitely want to wait for lower lows. This is a trade right here that can be taken as well. We've been into the 10s with the purple RSI, and we're back out of it, and now we're back with a lower low, and our green RSI is in the 10s. So that's the requirement. First, purple in, can go back out, but then the green RSI is coming in next, and if you can get a signal off that, that's a long trade. It just doesn't happen to be the low of the day. You can spot many good entries here. Grays. Go up here. Gray bars all the way through here, getting a yellow, so that's a heads up. You're coming out of a 10 area. Blue bar, that's a trade. You're getting grays coming down. In fact, right in here, we could have had a trade as well. It's a 1 tick low. Okay, 1 tick lower low than this area here. So you can see there's some areas here that until I'm getting some confirmation, this would not have been an area I was interested in. It's not a lower low. Price would have to be below this tick right here. So in here, that blue bar, I'm getting confirmation. That would be another long. I just didn't mark it on the fly for you guys. Let's keep going here. As per our rule set, this is a pullback entry. Kind of locking up there. Got a little divergence on these prices, and divergence down here. So really, right at the point of meeting at the 10s here with the purple RSI, we're getting these signals right here. So there was a little pop. Here we have a final cross, a pop, And here's the trough that we often look for. So any break in the tens of the green RSI with color signals are trades. And we had one final takeout move right down here, and it pierced the purple RSI as well. You can see it right there. And as soon as we got that blue, we were ready to go north. Let's go a little farther here. And I don't have any other trades marked. After all this consolidation right in here, I would probably only feel safe getting into a trade, say A, B, not a double bottom. I want to see a lower low here for a pullback. So yeah, a lot of consolidation, because this could go down into here pretty easy. Just the end of the day, that's what happens. Kind of weird things happen at the end of the day. That's it. I'll go through these. Start here at the beginning again. Let everyone get a clearer idea of where we were. So here was our earliest entry. We had a Fuller right there. There's a good one. There's a good one. So a lot of profitable entries there. A couple more here and there. This one was still profitable, and these two are great little bottoms. So you can see we're picking up these trades in very good places to go long. And again, if you haven't seen any of our other videos, this indicator is for longs only. It does not predict. It's not a predictor for shorts. You can use gray bars to help you determine when to get out of a long trade, if you'd like. Now here's some examples right here. There's a gray bar here that signals a little down move, and here, so we didn't pick up the first one here. So you can wait for a gray bar to tell you, here's a long run up here in your first gray bar, if that's what you wanted to use as a signal. You can always use the RSI as well on the top side. Okay, so again, here is February 6th, 2012. These are our signals as per our rules, and picking the value areas. Okay. All right, thank you. Stop by lightenuptrading.com and sign up for a membership and a subscription, and we'll help you out. All right, thank you.